Steam cleaners are an excellent solution for eliminating bacteria on a range of surfaces, including sealed floors, tiles, ovens, windows, with some even able to clean and freshen up carpets. Steam cleaning requires nothing more than water from your tap, and you won't need detergents or harsh chemical products. The vapors emitted from these handy gadgets easily remove dirt, stains, and dust. But the steam's hot temperatures can kill up to 99.9% of bacteria at a time. So if you want to buy a good steam cleaner, then these are some of the best in the business. As always, go through the description below to see all the featured products and their buy links. We are starting our list with the Vapamore MR-100 Primo steam cleaning system. This is a complete cleaning system made to clean and sanitize your entire home using steam power. It has a 1500 watt heating element and has an operation time of up to 1 hour. Chemical-free cleaning is suitable for your family, pets, and our environment. Also, this product uses a steam temperature of 210 to 220 degrees Fahrenheit, and this unit will kill bedbugs. Further, this product comes with a lifetime limited warranty. Lifetime warranty coverage for parts and labor on the boiler, heating element, and all internal electronics. In addition to providing superior killing power when dealing with bedbugs and other insects, it also offers incredible cleaning and sanitizing capability for up to 60 minutes per tank. On the other hand, it has enough attachments to tackle almost any cleaning job. Up next on the list, we have Dupray Neat Steam Cleaner. This steam cleaner is an efficient, ultra-reliable do-it-all cleaning and sanitation solution. It is designed for performance, ease of use, and durability. Plus, it delivers the cleaning power of much larger professional units. It can easily remove dirt, grease, and stains while killing 99.9% of bacteria, viruses, pathogens, bedbugs, mold, and other undesirables from any floors, furniture, toys, kitchen appliances, car interiors, grout and tiles, bathrooms, and more. This cleaner can produce powerful superheated steam up to 135 degrees Celsius. Designed with portability in mind, its lightweight and retractable handle make it as effortless and comfortable as possible to move around. The water tank holds a capacity of 1600 milliliters and offers up to 50 minutes working time. Next up on the list, we have Bissell 39N7V Hard Surface Steam Cleaner. It uses high-pressure steam to deal with stubborn dirt and cleans the area without using harsh chemicals. This cleaner has a high-capacity water tank so that you can use it longer without refilling, and offers a steam on-demand trigger for treating tougher stains. It has a 16-foot power cord that allows for easy cleaning of larger areas and can be used as a fabric steamer to refresh garments and remove wrinkles. This multi-purpose cleaner comes with a grout brush, angle concentrator, fabric steamer tool and cloth, flat scraping tool, and 3 detail brushes. Moreover, it provides a window squeegee, measuring cup, and an owner's manual to get you started. Meet up the all-new PerSteam PS581X handheld pressurized steam cleaner. Its hot pressurized steam eliminates grease, grime, mold, stains, and bedbugs without harsh chemicals. This lightweight and portable unit comes with an extended 9.8-foot cord for convenient indoor and outdoor use. Safe to use on a wide range of surfaces, including ceramic tile, granite, waterproof wood flooring, laminate tiles, most cotton and wool carpets, and washable wallpaper. You can deep clean the hard-to-reach areas of your home using the heavy-duty attachments for more targeted cleaning. Moreover, your steam cleaner is a useful tool for spot cleaning smaller areas of carpets and rugs and refreshing them in general. The Dr. Purifier handheld pressurized steam cleaner is a multifunctional cleaning tool for your daily household cleaning and disinfection needs. It provides safe operation and is 95% free with harmful fumes or residue. This cleaner includes a safety lock on the handle and a safety cap for added peace of mind. A convenient 9-foot power cord enables you to maneuver efficiently and to clean hard-to-reach areas easily. The 1050 watt of power emits pressurized, powerful hot steam for up to 15 to 20 minutes. Since this device does require any harm your family, including your pets, is fully protected, and this cleaner includes an exclusive free 9 pieces accessory kit for various purposes. The next product on the list is the Wagner Spray Tech. You can add distilled water to this steamer for chemical-free, natural cleaning that lifts away dirt and grime on nearly any surface around your home. Use the included attachments to steam clean and refresh your kitchen countertops, sinks, toilets, showers, floors, appliances, and more. This versatile, multi-purpose steamer reaches up to 100 degrees Celsius to clean your household surfaces and can hold up to 48 ounces to run for up to 45 continuous minutes. With an illuminated green power, the light indicates that the steamer is ready to begin steaming. It uses a pressurized steam system to complete repair or renovation jobs, such as removing wallpaper, and cleans and sanitizing your home from top to bottom. Use it to clean sofas, barbecue grills, bathroom fixtures and surfaces, floors, windows, screens, tires and wheels, ATVs, recreational equipment, and appliances, and more. Last but not least, at the top of the list, we have McCulloch MC1275. You can naturally make deep clean and sanitize without using harsh chemicals, using hot, pressurized steam. With this cleaner, it's easy to eliminate grease, grime stains, and mold from a wide range of surfaces, including ceramic tile, grout, granite, sealed wood flooring, laminate, appliances, grills, autos, and more. The 48-ounce water tank heats up in under 8 minutes and provides up to 45 minutes of steam, with optional lockable steam trigger for continuous steam cleaning. It has an extra long 15.7-foot power cord and over a 9-foot steam hose that provides added maneuverability and reaches for those hard-to-get places. On the other hand, the attachable utility brushes tackle the most hardened grease and grime on ovens, barbecue grills, patios, and more. I hope you folks enjoyed our work. If so, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to show your support. Also, stay tuned with the channel for more videos